Before I show you how it was made, watch this. We created a full zombie survival mini-movie with AI, and it actually feels scary. Stay till the end because I'll reveal the exact tool I used to make it. Okay, let's roll the movie.
Just out and back, Max. Quick pee, then straight inside. Stay close, buddy. Max? Hey, where are you going? Did you hear that, Max? Max? Run! Inside now! Move! Move!
All right, guys, this is AI Arena channel, and it's day one of our challenge. And today we are building this whole zombie survival mini movie in Dreamina. The reason I like this idea is that it is not just zombies running at the camera. That is too easy and honestly too boring. The scary part is the contrast. Inside the shelter feels cozy, safe, orange, warm, almost peaceful. Outside is cold, blue, wet, ruined, and full of danger. That contrast is the first horror hack. So I start with the characters. I use Dreamina GPT Image 2 model to create Lara as the main survivor. Then I create her dog as the emotional anchor. I want Lara to look tired but focused, not like a superhero. For the dog, I want alert eyes, wet fur, and that nervous survival energy. In a horror short, the dog is not just cute. The dog tells the audience something is wrong before Lara sees it. Then I build the main shelter image. This is the heart of the whole short. I want boarded windows, warm lamps, canned food, maps on the table, a small radio, survival bags, muddy boots, and rain hitting the glass. The important part is making the shelter feel lived in. If the room feels real, the danger outside feels stronger. This is where Dreamina Seedance 2 Mini helps as the small workflow companion. I give it the rough idea. Lara, dog, cozy fortified shelter, Lara is preparing coffee. Then the new mini model helps turn that vague setup into a real movie at a low cost. And once I am happy, I can use the full model for HD output. Now the horror prompt needs different priorities from an action prompt. I do not ask for too much movement at once. I want slow camera tension, shadows behind wet glass, silhouettes at the fence, small flickering lights, and one clear reveal at a time. Horror works when the audience has time to look for the danger. For the first motion shot, I use Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to animate the dog looking toward the window. The dog should not run around randomly. I want one clear action. Ears up, body tense, head turning toward the sound, then one bark. That tiny reaction tells the viewer there is something outside before we show it. For the second shot, Lara is opening the heavy shot to let the dog outside. The hack here is to use practical actions. Horror characters feel more believable when they are doing survival tasks, not posing for the camera. The more normal the action feels, the more intense the threat becomes. For the third shot, the camera slowly reveals the invisible danger outside. I keep the prompt focused on atmosphere. Rain, fog, distant streetlights, slow push toward the window, scary close-ups of Lara in fear. With Dreamina Seedance 2.0, the motion can feel controlled instead of chaotic, which is exactly what this scene needs. To keep everything consistent, I keep referencing the same Lara look, the same dog, and the same shelter style. That is the biggest mistake beginners make with AI shorts. They generate cool clips, but every shot feels like a different universe. Here, the references keep the story connected. Now, when the final 15-second trailer plays, it has a clean build. First, the warm bunker, then the dog senses something, then Lara prepares, then the outside reveal hits, and the last shot leaves us with the door shaking in the rain as something scary and visible is attacking the shelter. It is simple, but it feels like a real survival moment. So the day one horror hack is this: do not prompt for noise, prompt for pressure. Warm inside, cold outside, one emotional character, one animal reaction, slow reveals, and consistent references. Dreamina gives you the images. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 turns the still moments into a tense mini-movie. That's all, guys. Try Dreamina platform today. Get the link from the description below and follow AI Arena for day 2, where I make the worst pirate escape plan possible. See you in the next one.